This was supposed to be the squash area, but it's now become a leftover potato area. One of the two surviving squash plants is dying. The other one's still around, but I don't know that it will produce any squash this year. And I only planted a very limited amount of corn, which seems to be doing exceptionally well, especially considering the poor soil. And there's the one cucumber plant. It's not doing very well at all. Here are the leftover from last year planted potatoes. There was a sunflower seed that sprouted over about there, and something has now eaten the sunflower plant. And here are the store-bought seed potatoes where they were planted. They seem to be doing fairly well. And if you look here, you can see some already popping up. I will not be eating store-bought potatoes after the current ones I have are finished until December. These are just some of the potatoes that were forced out of the ground and I picked up off the ground. And these are the remainder of the store-bought potatoes that were planted. Here is a combination of undug up potatoes left over from last year and the pumpkin plant. The tomato plants are now out of their water walls, and actually a few of them are sprouting flowers. The beans do not work as well as I thought with this, but they are now blossoming, and it won't be too long until there will be beans to be harvested. And the system also has protected the beets, which traditionally get eaten by the woodchucks without protection. And this is the little area of spinach and lettuce. Something did figure out how to get inside the cage. This year's wild blueberry crop looks to be a disaster.